Punctuation and capital letters. It is important to learn the rules of punctuation properly. It makes our writing clear and impressive. In the absence of proper punctuations, the meaning of the sentence does not make proper sense. Look at these two sentences carefully. 1. Suman said, "Father, you have forgotten to take your medicine." Suman, said the father, "You have forgotten to take your medicine." 2. Mohan said, "Radhika is lazy and stupid." Mohan, said Radhika, is lazy and stupid. Words used in both the sentences are the same, but their meanings are quite different. It is because of the punctuation marks used in the sentences. So, we see that the wrong use of punctuation marks change the meanings of the sentences. Therefore, it is essential to learn the use of proper punctuation marks. Punctuation means to use capital letters, full stop, mark of interrogation, colon or commas in the correct places in a sentence. Generally, we use marks of punctuation to separate one sentence from another part. The principal marks of punctuation are: 1. Full stop underscore 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 underscore. 2. Comma underscore 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 underscore. 3. Mark of interrogation underscore 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 underscore. 4. Mark of exclamation underscore 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 underscore. 5. Semicolon underscore 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 underscore. 6. Colon underscore 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 smiling smiley. 7. Apostrophe underscore 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 underscore. 8. Dash underscore 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 underscore. 9. Inverted commas or quotation marks underscore 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 underscore. 10. Hyphen underscore 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 underscore. 11. Parenthesis underscore 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 underscore. Use of different punctuation marks. The full stop. 1. The full stop is used to close an assertive or an imperative sentence. Example: Children, be noble and good. Imperative: I do not like lazy students. Negative statements: stand up when the teacher enters the class. Command: this book is very interesting. Assertive: 2. The full stop is used after abbreviations, titles, names, degrees, initials, etc. M. Suresh Murli Suresh B.A. Bachelor of Arts P.M. Prime Minister MP. Member of Parliament. 3. However, these days it is acceptable in English to drop full stops in abbreviations like Mr., Mrs., Dr., etc. We can write Mr. or Mrs. or Dr. instead. Comma. Generally, comma is used for the shortest pause between words. It is used at several other places also. 1. To separate a series of words of the same pattern. Example: Team India played matches against England, Australia, South Africa, West Indies and New Zealand at neutral places. Rekha is beautiful, sincere and laborious. Manorma speaks sweetly, softly and clearly. We generally don't place a comma before word preceded by and. She has an AC, a car, an LC, DOTOV, and a scooty. However, a comma will be used in all short pauses if etc. comes in the end. 2. We use a comma to separate nouns, pronouns or phrases in apposition. Example: Surdas, the great Hindi poet, was blind. Apposition is the great Hindi poet, to the noun Surdas. Rahul Gandhi, the son of Rajiv Gandhi, is trying hard to bring the youth into politics. Apposition is the son of Rajiv Gandhi to the noun Rahul. 3. After a nominative, absolute, and perfect participle. Example: having won the prize, I felt very happy. Having done the homework, they went to play. God willing, I will meet you. God forbid, he may meet with an accident. 4. To separate the words yes or no. Example: yes, I am listening to you. No, I'm not coming to your house today. 5. It is used to separate the reporting speech from the reported speech. Example: he said to me, what shall I do next? Ravi said to me, who shall I deliver this packet to? 6. To separate the date from the year. Example: people of Surat still remember the fury of the flood of 20th August 2008. 7. To separate various parts in an address. Example: Hali Om, 344 by 5 Gandhi Nagar, Surat, Gujarat. 8. After the name of the person when he or she is addressed. Example: Ravi Kant, are you listening me? Sohan Lal, where have you been all these years? Sir, I have completed the assignment. Rajat, come here. Semicolon. When a statement is nearly complete but you want to expand it further, semicolon is used. Ultimately, the semicolon marks a greater pause than that indicated by a comma. Ashoka observed the gruesome sight at Kalinga. He was greatly moved at the sight of dead bodies of the warriors lying on the battlefield. Two separate coordinate clauses if they are joined by the conjunctions either, or, neither. Nor, therefore, as, otherwise, else, and, but, for, etc. Example: the clouds were thundering, therefore, we decided to go home quickly. Deposit your dues quickly, otherwise, your name will be struck off. Colon smiling smiley. A colon shows a longer pause than a semicolon but a shorter pause than a full stop. A colon is not used with sentence fragments, rather the sentence should be complete before the use of colon. 1. Usually a colon is used to introduce a quotation or speech. Example: Shakespeare says, this world is a theatre and we are actors. 2. For list that comes after a complete sentence. Example: these are the places we saw in Mumbai: the Gateway of India, the Shoe Garden, the Hanging Garden, and the Film City. 3. To merge two statements into a single sentence. Example: the team effort was not wasted, the players ultimately won the match. 4. To separate the two contrasting statements. Example: to err is human, to forgive divine. Man proposes, God disposes. 5. Before explanations, enumerations and examples. Example: some of the important historical places of India are Somnath Temple, the Sun Temple, the Taj Mahal, etc. Mark of interrogation. 1. The mark of interrogation is placed at the end of the sentence to mark a question. Example: how do you do? Who has brought you here? What makes you happy? 2. However, question mark is converted into a full stop after an indirect question. Example: she asked me why I wasted my time. The father asked his son where he had been all day long. Mark of exclamation. 1. The sentences that express some sudden or strong emotions carry a mark of exclamation at the end rather than a full stop. Example: what an idea! Hoorah, we have won the match against Australia. Oh, that I were rich! What a pleasant weather it is! Apostrophe. 1. To make a possessive noun, an apostrophe and s is added at the end of the singular noun. Example: Mohan's house, Ravina's doll, Sudhir's car, Rajni's books. 2. If a plural noun ends in s, only an apostrophe is added. Example: Laborers strike, the girls' hostel, brothers' property, etc. However, the plural nouns that do not end with s, an apostrophe and s both are added to plural nouns. Workmen's problems, children's dresses, watchmen's houses, washermen's shops. 3. An apostrophe and s is used with time, units of measurement and money. Example: 1 month's leave, a day's work, 1 meter's length, a coin's worth, a rupee's value. 4. These days it is popular to use contractions instead of complete auxiliaries. Example: Rohit told me he'd like to travel by air. He would. Rajni couldn't attend the meeting. Couldn't, could not. Read the commonly used contractions to be familiar with them. Dash. Used to separate parts of a sentence. If only we had fielded with discipline and had not dropped the catches, but what is the sense? In lamenting now? Inverted commas or quotation marks. To write exactly the actual words of a speaker. Parvez said to his mother, I am searching for a job right now. Robert said his friends, I want to celebrate my birthday with you in a restaurant. My mother said to me, why are you wasting your time in watching television? The hyphen. A hyphen is used in compound adjectives and compound words. Example: a multi-story building, a quick fix liquid, father-in-law, onlooker, passerby. Hyphen is also used with certain prefixes, compound numbers and compound fractions. Example: ex-minister, vice principal, self-control, non-violence, cooperate, 89. 34, 79. Parenthesis or brackets. 1. A phrase, clause or a sentence which grammatically does not belong to the main sentence is enclosed in a bracket. A bracket is known as parenthesis. Example: the team management committee, I don't know why, dropped Suresh from the team. 2. To give an extra knowledge in a speech or piece of writing. Example: when I was a child, it is about 20 years ago, I stood first in class X in the school. Use of capital letters. 1. Capital letters are used with proper nouns Malini, Suresh. 2. Every sentence begins with a capital letter. Example: hard work is a key to success. Have patience. Those who sacrifice their life for a noble cause never die. 3. Every line of poetry is written with a capital letter. Example: thou wast not born for death, immortal bird. No hungry generations tread there down. Poem Ode to the Nightingale, John Keats. 4. All proper nouns begin with a capital letter. Example: Ved Pal Sharma, Bangalore, France, French. 5. All interjections are written in capital letter. Example: oh, alas, wow, ah, oh. 6. All nouns and pronouns that refer to God begin with a capital letter. Example: the supreme power, the Almighty, the Lord, His will. 7. The titles of officers and ministers. Example: the finance minister, the defense minister, the education minister, the director of vigilance, etc. Unpunctuated. 1. I cannot part with such a good food, said the greedy old man. 2. I am not tired of you, said Mrs. Kulkarni, but so far as the truth is concerned, I just can't adjust with you anymore. 3. The girl laughed, danced, jumped, and cried for joy. Solution. 1. I cannot part with such a good food, said the greedy old man. 2. I am not tired of you, said Mrs. Kulkarni, but so far as the truth is concerned, I just can't adjust with you anymore. 3. The girl laughed, danced, jumped, and cried for joy. Unpunctuated. 1. This is the poem that John Keats composed, which the whole world admires and which thousands of students read every day. 2. Swimming, which is an excellent exercise, is considered risky by most elderly people. 3. Ramu, who runs a tea stall in our school, hails from Bihar. 4. The more you stay here, the more comfortable you feel. Solution. 1. This is the poem that John Keats composed, which the whole world admires, and which thousands of students read every day. 2. Swimming, which is an excellent exercise, is considered risky by most elderly people. 3. Ramu, who runs a tea stall in our school, hails from Bihar. Unpunctuated. Why do not both Hari and Ravi, said the father, go to school on foot? They cannot, said Rashmi. The prayer begins at 9 a.m. sharp and they usually get late by doing so. Solution. Why don't both Hari and Ravi, said the father, go to the school on foot? They can't, said Rashmi. The prayer begins at 9 a.m. sharp and they usually get late by doing so. Unpunctuated. Prem said to Uma, where have you been all this evening? I have been waiting for you for the last 3 hours. Uma said to Prem, I had gone to see Merchant of Venice at the Plaza Theatre. It is a wonderful film, one of the best I have ever seen. Have not you seen it yet? Prem said to Uma, I have not seen it yet. I am not fond of movies. Solution. Prem said to Uma, where have you been all this evening? I have been waiting for you for the last 3 hours. Uma said to Prem, I had gone to see The Merchant of Venice at the Plaza Theatre. It's a wonderful film, one of the best I have ever seen. Haven't you seen it yet? Prem said to Uma, no, I haven't seen it. I am not fond of movies. Unpunctuated. The teacher said to Neha, Neha, where do you want to go? Don't you see your exams are very close? Neha said to the teacher, Sir, I am sorry, I have to attend the marriage of my brother. The teacher said to Neha, do not take risk, give an application. Neha said to the teacher, I have already given the application to the monitor, sir. Moreover, can not live here alone since my all family members are going for the wedding to Kanpur. Solution. The teacher said to Neha, Neha, where do you want to go? Don't you see your exams are very close? Neha said to the teacher, Sir, I'm sorry, I have to attend my brother's wedding. The teacher said to Neha, don't take risk. Give an application. Neha said to the teacher, Sir, I have already given the application to the monitor. Moreover, I can't live here alone as all my family members are going for the wedding to Kanpur.